At TenPoint Complete, we believe that what you measure, you can improve, and that starts with customer satisfaction and NPS, the Net Promoter Score. NPS asks one key question: on a scale of 0 to 10, how likely are you to recommend us to a friend or colleague? Promoters score 9 to 10, passive 7 to 8, and detractors 0 to 6. Your NPS is the percentage of promoters minus the percentage of detractors, giving a clear view of overall loyalty and advocacy. At TenPoint Complete, we collect this feedback through post-interaction surveys and follow-ups that measure every major touch point of your customer's journey. Customers can share quick scores and open-ended comments that reveal both satisfaction and the why behind it. Just as importantly, they point out areas of improvement that become a North Star management system for your company. Our reports track results by response channel and tracks trends over time, giving you and your team consistent feedback. Hot sheet reports are sent out in near real time on results that require immediate attention to assist in service recovery. But what makes it powerful is what happens next. We work with clients to close the loop, turning detractor feedback into training opportunities, refining workflows, and celebrating promoter stories. The result for you and your organization is continuous improvement, stronger relationships, satisfied customers, increased loyalty, and more referrals. At TenPoint Complete, your NPS isn't just numbers, it's a roadmap to better business. Visit tenpointcomplete.com to see how we can help you measure what truly matters.